Welcome to this quick tutorial where I'll show you how to exclude a client's orders from picking. On the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Automation. Then, click on Create Automation in the top right corner. Give your automation a name. For example, Exclude Pans from Picking. Under Trigger, select Order Created. Click Add Condition, then choose Order Client, and set it to the client you want to exclude. If you want to exclude multiple clients, you can add more using the OR option. Now scroll to Add Actions and choose Exclude Order from Picking. Then set it to Yes. Finally, click Create Automation. And that's it. From now on, any new orders from that client will automatically be excluded from the picking process.